with the intentions of taking care of creating awareness. While doing this awareness, we also could feel that if we do health services also, then it's going to give a great result. Like referrals, they are already doing. We have got some eye hospital in Boxer. They have been referring such cases to them, and other hospitals, government hospitals nearby, they do that. So referral as a part of health services, they have been doing it. But again, of course, there is a formal referral arrangement that is a part of health services. So health services is the next way forward. The CSF program basically was aimed at creating awareness. What we all agree, you also a man of health, that 60 to 70% of incidents of occurrence of diseases can be avoided by that. Thereafter, for rest of those, referral is one, many health clinic. Of course, the Cashmore has gone with this concept. This is the new innovation. And then health finance things what we are talking about, sanitation, loans, and even health loans. So these are matter over and above the awareness. So CSF program was basically for awareness, and referrals and health services of course comes thereafter.
Okay, let me add, Dr. Srivastav.
Sure.
See, I can tell you about two other organizations. One is Equitas Microfinance. Equitas Microfinance is based in Chennai, and they are having operations in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, in these states. And Equitas has tie-up with 900 private hospitals in all these states, and Equitas has entered into a MOU with all these private hospitals. And whenever the Equitas client goes to these private hospitals, they are given privileged, they are given discounts, and there is a MOU between Equitas and these private hospitals. I will check with Equitas if they would like to share a copy of the template of the MOU with you. If you are interested, I will get that MOU from them. Then
can we have similar MOU kind of thing with the local health provider near MSC for getting immediate relief to the MSC client, like suppose patient needs some ultrasound or some specific investigation. There are local facilities available, and we must investigate some way means so that these local resources are tapped.
Absolutely. See, Equitas has not only with hospitals but also with pathological laboratories, and they do have, and I will try to get a copy of the MOU template which they have developed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mr. Anurag is there?
No, sir, he is not here.
Okay. Nice to have you people, and
thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, there is one more question by Deepa, Dr. Deepa.
Yeah, let me see.
Come here.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any mechanism for deciding health for creating awareness? Like based on a particular area or region, how do you decide which health issues for which create awareness?
So generally, whenever we have developed some sort of a market survey tools, and whenever any MFI begins any health work, they have a simple survey of the local areas. We have the tools, we provide them, and we even Healing Fields has done an extensive survey before they started their operations in UP and Bihar. And yeah, it is not difficult. It's not difficult. Only thing is one has to invest some amount for time and resources for this kind of market surveys. Their tools are available.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Nice to see you, group.
Same here.
Bye. So, Srivastav, we are going to have one more webinar in the next 1.5 months, most probably in the end of April. And this webinar will be about, again, one microfinance institution and one SAS Purna Arogya is a Mysore-based organization. So they have a sort of a health insurance product, and health insurance and surprisingly this health insurance is includes even outpatient treatment, and health insurance for the microfinance clients of Grameen Kuta is a Bangalore based MFI.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to have one webinar on that, and then we are also thinking of having a webinar about community health insurance. I know there are some organizations like Uplift Mutual. Uplift Mutual is they have developed this community mutual health insurance scheme, where a group of women come together and they only decide what should be the premium, how much should be the insured amount, how to process individual cases, and one webinar we are thinking about it. Thank you so much, sir. Keep. I will. Mr. Srivastava, will you please let me know your email address so that I can be in touch with you and then let you know about our future.
Sir, my ID is sir. I will mail it, sir.
Okay, mine is dskerao@yahoo.com.
So we have your email address.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.
I will communicate, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rao.
Huda sir, bye.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. It was nice, yeah. Acha, very good. No, I like the strong commitment from Kashpur. That is what is required. Otherwise, वो half-hearted करने में मजा नहीं आता है.
No, Dr. Rao, we are working with PHFI and particularly one in Bundelkhand area, Dalia area, and going further above PHF, something more. We are talking about telepathy, telemedicine. We are talking about column doctor, everything, and even something regarding some health finance insurance also. Can we do effectively have linkage with RSBI, and for over and above then some health mutual as well?
वही मतलब बता रहा हूँ कि health mutual or health. Would you like to pilot anything in Kashmir?
In fact, of course, maybe we may be doing something as a part of this PHFI program.
Yeah,
लेकिन वही है ये बेस में this is the revealing factor कि health is a raw material for microfinance.
Health is a
Raw material for microfinance. Very well said, sir.
when is your program starting with PHFI?
Maybe from 1st April.
Oh, good. I used to be in touch with Mr. Samresh.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much to all of you.
Sir, thanks.
Bye.